Good afternoon, LC people. I was going to post this morning first thing, but you know what I'm like. This is a 350 LC that we're building for Tim Davies. So big shout out to you, Tim. Started on your bike. I started actually on it yesterday, and I got the tyres on and rebuilt the wheels, the new bearings, all the spacers. Bit time consuming it was, but yeah, back wheels done. Today I've fettled and rebuilt this and made it look very beautiful. The forks have been completely rebuilt today. They've got new stanchions in, so they've had a good clean and fettling, and I'm very happy with them. Obviously the front wheel's in now. Got that to put on tomorrow, the rear swing on. There's a centre stand on it. It doesn't look like I've got a lot done, but to be fair, I've got as much as I thought I would do. To rebuild the wheels and get the tyres and tubes in them, and rebuild the suspension before I could put it all back together has been obviously the first job to do on the list. So, but Tim said, when you get round to it, give my dad a big shout out. A big shout out to your dad, Clive. This bike is being built in the memory of Clive, Tim's dad. I will keep you posted about it tomorrow, because obviously there'll be a lot more going on. The rear suspension, obviously the swing arm, rear wheel, and some plastics will start to go on it. It will start to take more shape tomorrow. Obviously it's been a few weeks since I last built one from scratch, so I've also been around the frame, and all the threaded parts have now been cleaned out with a tap, so I'm quite happy about that. Yeah, not a great deal left to say about it, to be fair, but I will keep you posted tomorrow with a bit more progress. So thanks for watching. Dilly dilly.